Good morning, students. Let us start our next topic, which is uniform and non-uniform motion. This you have covered in your 8th standard also, but let me repeat it again. Uniform means same, motion means you are continuously changing your state. So uniform motion means if you are changing your state but still keeping same distance throughout your motion and throughout the time, means with respect to time, if your motion remains same, if the distance traveled by you remains same in each and every interval, then motion is said to be uniform, otherwise non uniform. यूनिफॉर्म मतलब ही क्या होता है कि सेम है. तो डेफिनेशन को एक बार देखो. एज द ऑब्जेक्ट कवर इक्वल डिस्टेंसेज इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, इट इज सेड टू बी इन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. मीन्स टाइम इंटरवल्स शुड बी सेम and distances covered by the body should be same for the motion to be called as uniform motion. But one thing is important, that we have to maintain very small intervals, because otherwise uniform motion is not at all possible in daily life situations. बहुत देर तक आप यूनिफॉर्म मोशन कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकते हो. हमेशा हम अगर सोनीपत से दिल्ली जा रहे हैं, दिल्ली से कहीं और जा रहे हैं, तो हमेशा हमारा मोशन यूनिफॉर्म हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि रोड पे जो सिचुएशंस हैं वो अलग हैं बिल्कुल. So that is why it's difficult to keep uniform motion throughout our journey. If we want to study about uniform motion, then we have to consider time interval to be very, very small. Read this in next line. The time interval in the motion should be small. If still this topic is not clear, let me explain this you with the help of an example, with the help of some readings. Let us tabulate readings between S and T, distance and time. Distance I have taken in meter and time I have taken in seconds. So you can very well see some readings I have written and compare the readings in each and every interval. We are going to see that in first 2 seconds, 0 to 2 seconds, the body has covered 5 meter distance. In next 2 seconds, the body has again covered 5 meter distance. In next 2, again the pattern is same, and further 6 to 8 seconds. The difference between these two time interval is 2 seconds, and in these 2 seconds the distance covered by the body is again 5 meter. So you can very easily see that the body is traveling equal amount of distances in equal interval of time. In such a situation, we call the motion as uniform motion. Now I hope that with the help of this particular table, you will be able to understand what uniform motion is exactly. Let us now plot the graph for these readings. One by one we will discuss graph also, in which you are facing problems. So let me start with first graph. First graph is all about uniform motion. So to plot the graph for uniform motion, on y-axis I have taken distance, on x-axis I have taken time. Students, most of the times we will take time on x-axis. So whatever other quantity is there, that will be taken on y-axis. So I have plotted the readings, I have written the reading, marked the readings on x and y-axis. Now see, 0 to 0 point, this is first point. For 2 seconds, distance covered is 5 meter. 2 second corresponding distance is 5 meter. For 4 seconds, corresponding distance is 10 meter. For 4 second, corresponding distance is 10 meter. For 6 second, corresponding distance is 15 meter. Likewise, for 8 second, corresponding distance traveled is 20 meter. 8 seconds के लिए हमने यहाँ पर ये 20 के लिए पॉइंट मार्क कर दिया. तो इस तरह से हमारे पास 1 2 3 4 5 पॉइंट्स आ गए, एंड वी joined them straight so as to get a straight line. This is the straight line inclined to x axis. इस लाइन को हम बोलते हैं, इस ग्राफ का हम नेचर बोलते हैं कि ये लाइन झुकी हुई है टूवर्ड्स x axis. x axis y axis से दूर है और x axis की तरफ इसकी ढलान है. तो the nature of graph is said to be like straight line. The graph is straight line. पर straight line कैसी है? ये भी straight line है. अगर मैं ऐसी line देखूँ, ये भी straight line है. But ये specially graph की line है. ये कैसी है? This is straight line inclined to x axis. तो uniform motion के लिए अगर आप अपनी notebook में देखोगे, तो uniform motion के लिए graph कैसा है? Straight line inclined to x axis. आई होप कि अब सबको क्लियर हो गया होगा यूनिफॉर्म मोशन क्या है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ रीडिंग्स, विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्राफ। डेफिनेशन मैंने आप लोगों को पहले ही बता दी है। नाउ कम टू नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन के लिए क्या है, मोशन इफ अ बॉडी कवर्स अनइक्वल डिस्टेंसेस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, या तो टाइम इंटरवल इक्वल हो बट डिस्टेंस अनइक्वल ट्रेवल कर रहा हो, या फिर वाइस वर्सा कि इक्वल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर रहा है बट अनइक्वल टाइम इंटरवल में, एक ही बात है, तो द मोशन इज सेड टू बी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म। For example, when a car is moving on a crowded street, obviously when you are moving on a crowded street, then you can't expect that your motion will remain uniform throughout your journey. So in real life situation, what we observe is, in most of the cases, I think 99% cases are related to non-uniform motion. Our motion is non-uniform. So let us see this again with the help of some reading.